Practice English listening. A day at the beach. It is a bright, sunny morning, and Emma is very excited. Today, she is going to the beach with her family. Emma loves the beach because she can play in the sand and swim in the ocean. She gets out of bed quickly and puts on her favorite blue swimsuit. She also wears a big, floppy hat to protect her face from the sun. Emma runs to the kitchen, where her mom is packing a picnic basket. "Good morning, Mom," Emma says happily. "Good morning, Emma. Are you ready for the beach?" her mom asks with a smile. "Yes, I'm so excited," Emma replies. She sees her dad packing the car with beach chairs, towels, and an umbrella. Her little brother, Max, is holding a bright red bucket and a yellow shovel. "I'm going to build the biggest sandcastle ever," Max exclaims. Soon, the family is ready to go. They all get into the car and drive to the beach. When they arrive, Emma can see the sparkling blue ocean and hear the sound of the waves crashing onto the shore. She can also feel the warm sand under her feet. "The beach is so beautiful today," she says. The family finds a nice spot under a big palm tree. They set up their chairs and lay out the towels. Emma runs to the water, feeling the cool waves splash against her legs. She laughs and jumps up and down. "The water feels great," she shouts. Emma's mom puts on sunscreen and reminds Emma to do the same. "We don't want to get sunburned," her mom says. Emma takes the sunscreen and carefully rubs it on her arms, legs, and face. After that, Emma and Max start building a sandcastle. They dig in the sand with their hands and use the bucket to carry water from the ocean. "This is going to be the best sandcastle ever," Emma says. Max nods and adds, "Let's make a big moat around it too." They work hard, and soon the sandcastle is complete. It has tall towers, a big moat, and even a little flag made from a stick and a leaf. "Look at our castle, Mom," Emma says proudly. "It looks amazing," their mom replies. "You two did a great job." After playing in the sand, Emma decides to go for a swim. She runs into the ocean, feeling the cool water all around her. She floats on her back and looks up at the clear blue sky. "I love the ocean," she thinks. After a while, Emma gets out of the water and dries off with a towel. She sits down under the umbrella and takes a sip of cold lemonade from a bottle. Her mom opens the picnic basket and takes out sandwiches, apples, and cookies. "Who's hungry?" she asks. "I am," says Emma and Max at the same time. They all sit together and eat their lunch. The sandwiches are delicious, and the cookies are sweet and crunchy. After lunch, Emma and her family relax on their towels. They listen to the sound of the waves and feel the gentle breeze on their faces. Emma closes her eyes and thinks about how much fun she had today. As the sun starts to set, Emma and her family pack up their things. "What a great day at the beach," Emma says. "I can't wait to come back again." "Me too," says Max next time. "I want to build an even bigger sandcastle." The family smiles and laughs as they walk back to the car. Emma feels happy and tired, and she knows she will have sweet dreams tonight about her wonderful day at the beach.